Monday morning. Mario has found his favorite fishy toy. Favorite fishy. Yes, it is. You watching this time? I'm gonna play fetch for a while before bed. He's a funny little kitty. He is. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You watching? He's a little bit of a dumbass compared to a dog. If I throw it and he's not watching, it's just gone. He doesn't look for it. A dog would be like all like looking for it. But that's okay. Pretty impressive, really, right? Gotta make a video for Auntie Anne. Got good light today. Yep. Good boy. I don't know where Luigi is. Oh, there he is. He's just watching down there. I don't think it's too dark. Now, I've started this video after he's already retreated about 10 times. Haven't you? Haven't you, my beautiful? Did you get that fishy 10 times already? You did. I think you did, mighty hunter face. I do like the mighty hunter face. You gonna take it in your man cave? He hides behind that sweatshirt over there. It's a little dark to see. You might have remembered that the very first Can You Spot the Kitty picture was Mario. Ouch. Behind the man cave with just 2 paws sticking out. Isn't that right? Ready? That was my knee you just scratched. Anyway. If we're missing some toys, you might look under there. You might find some. You just might. Right, baby? Remember this mighty hunter kitty? Yeah, you're so smart. So smart. This is a better video than the last retrieving one, I think, except that I'm not holding the camera very steady when I throw it. Multitasking. Is that it? Nope, not yet. Auntie Ruth, her sister came to visit and she gave you this fishy. This is the last one of those. Can't find the other 2. It's her favorite fishy. And I tried to find the same kind on the internet and I could not. So we must preserve this last fishy. The fishy will stay with us no matter where we go, right? Good boy. It's like, forget it. Stop talking and throw it. Alright, you get the picture. He's obsessed. Yes, he is. You obsessed, Mario? My boy? Maybe he's all done and I can go to sleep. Are you all done? Are you tired? Are you tired? Okay. Then it's bedtime.